Hello, welcome to Weekly Recipes. Every Tuesday I'd like to release a video of a recipe that falls in the keto eating plan. Today's Big Mac salad, it kind of mixed between the jar salad I made a while ago and the Big Mac casserole that I also made even further back, or I don't know. Forgot when those videos were made, so might have got those backwards. But yeah, it's a layer salad, so that's not a whole lot of steps, so let's go ahead and get to it. And here's all what's in it. Starting off with 3/4 cups of mayonnaise, 4 teaspoons of mustard, 2 tablespoons of dill. It says 2 tablespoons of dill, finely chopped dill pickles, but I think that's pretty basically what dill relish is, right? But anyway, a tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of onions. Use frozen onions just because I don't want to chop up a whole onion just for a tablespoon of onions. 2 teaspoons of the Swerve artificial sweetener. Trying to avoid artificial sweeteners if I can, but I haven't tried that kind yet. But anyway, and a half a teaspoon of paprika. That's the sauce. And for the salad itself, there'll be 1 pound of ground beef, 1 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, 4 cups. And the original recipe calls for just chopped lettuce, but I'm gonna just go and make a bag of salad. Just bought that salad last night. I don't know why it's so grungy today. And then 1/2 cup of onions that's been cut in half, and a cup of shredded cheddar, and another 1/4 cup of the dill pickles chopped up, which is delish. So let me go ahead and get started. Okay, got the ingredients for the sauce mixed up, measured out anyway. So I'm going to put the mayo, and then the mustard, the dill relish, the vinegar, the onions. They're frozen onions now, but by the time I eat it, this is going to be the lunch for the next couple of days. So by the time I eat it, I'm sure that the onions are going to be all thawed out like they're supposed to be. And the swervy, and the paprika, the 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. I'll get that all mixed up. Okay, got the sauce all mixed up here. It's been a while since I had a Big Mac, but it does smell about right. Now I'll round out the hamburger. I'll let that partially cook up while the children outside are screaming their heads off. Anyway, and interesting, I noticed that last time as well, it didn't say to add the salt and pepper until the meat is partially cooked. So I'll let that cook over medium heat. The recipe online was very insistent. They used a 10-inch skillet. I didn't measure this one, but I'm pretty sure it'll be fine. But anyway, I'll let that cook and do its thing. Hamburger's gotten a good way into the brownings process, so now I'll go to add in the salt and pepper. Mix that in and let that continue to cook. Well, the onion I was going to use it to layer with the salad had gone completely rotten on me. So let me just add the 1/2 cup of diced frozen onions into the meat to help that cook that together. Alright, got it finished cooking and drained and rinsed it. So now go ahead and assemble the salads. Got more or less equal portions over the bowls here. Now I'll add in the meat. And now for the pickle relish. Probably should have went with pickle like slices or chips or something like that to put over the top, but I made my decision. And now I'll put the sauce over the top of those. And then finally for the cheese to go on top of all. And there we go. That's the finished product. Big Mac salad. It's been quite some time since I had a Big Mac, but it smells right. It smells like it's supposed to. Not sure what else to say. Link in the description below for where I got the recipe from. Like, favorite, like, share, subscribe, subscribe, check out Patreon links and blog links below. A little bit much work involved in this. I don't know if I'll be making this too often, but it does smell pretty good. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.